Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your own server tag on Discord. Let's jump right in. Launch the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser. Log into your account. Click on the server you want to add a tag to. You must be the server owner or have admin permissions. Click on the down arrow next to your server name, top left corner. Select Server Settings from the drop-down. If your server is part of Discord's community features or guild testing, you may see an option like Guild Settings or a section under Community. Look for Tags, Topics, or Server Info. In the available field, enter your custom server tag or topic, something like Gaming, Study Group, Art and Design. You might also be able to select multiple server tags or topics if available. After entering your server tags, click Save Changes. Your server now has its own custom tag that helps people quickly understand what your server is all about. Tags also help with discovery if you're using Discord's community server or applying for a guild. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.